Defining a problem before trying to solve it is really important. A poorly defined problem or a problem which we don't completely understand is way more difficult to solve than a problem that we have clearly defined and analyzed. Define stage of Six Sigma is the most crucial one because if we don't clearly articulate the business problem, we may not be able to solve it. In order to identify and define the problem accurately, we start with the verbatim from the customer as to what is the problem from their point of view. Customer here is the project sponsor who wants to solve the business problem. For example, a VP tells the manager that we're getting a lot of customer complaints these days because of the defective products. Now he's got two metrics to improve. One, to reduce the number of complaints, and the second is to reduce the percentage of defective products. This is an example on how to capture the VOC and convert to a CTQ from a real project done for recruitment cost reduction. So by now we've got two things covered. One, which is a problem statement, and second, we know that which metric we will be improving. Then we need to get into an agreement with the project sponsor on the goal statement as to what is the expectation that the sponsor has. If today 80% of the customers are not happy and a goal statement of getting a customer satisfaction score of 90% in 3 months might be unrealistic. Once we have an agreement on the goal statement, we must also ensure that we agree on the boundary, the scope of the project, that what is going to be in scope and what will be out of scope. If you want to be solving for customer satisfaction like in our previous example, we should know that what is going to be the in scope. Let's say we're only going to solve for India as a geography. We don't want to solve for world hunger. Thus, scope needs to be clearly defined before the project is initiated. Another important and critical element of define stage is to identify the team members and the stakeholders who will be part of this project. Usually, many practitioners use ARMY as a memory jogger to remember approver, resource, member, and interested or informed party. This is an example on how we can create the ARMY template. As we agree on the roles and responsibilities for different stakeholders, we try to list down a very high-level timelines and then capture it all in the project charter. Once a project charter is created, please remember to get your project charter approved from the project sponsor in the define stage itself. Now you're good with the first toolgate review with your project mentor or the master black belt, as this will conclude the define phase of Six Sigma. You can also document the current process map by using a flowchart so that you have an understanding of what the current process is. I thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you once again.